Hello students, how are you? Good morning to all of you. Today we have one more very nice poem for Annie Gregory written by William Butler Yeats. In this poem, poet wants to inform us we need not to get attracted towards the artificial beauty. Sometimes people, or maybe those who are getting attracted towards each other due to the beauty, really that beauty is artificial. No one going to see the internal beauty, values, whatever a human being possessing. No one going to take care, but generally love affairs depend on artificial beauty, outer beauty, outer look of human being. So here now let us start. What is the objective of this poet? Which type of things he wants to convey to us? This is a conversation between two lovers, a woman and a man. Never shall a young man thrown into despair. Despair is sadness, disappointed, frustration. A young man should not be disappointed or in a sad situation by those great honey-colored rampart in your ear. Ramparts generally mean, that is metaphor here. Ramparts, perhaps you have seen a big high wall around a fort. That is known as the rampart. To protect a fort, generally this wall, big wall created around the fort, around the castle, to protect it, that is known as rampart. Here rampart means hair which are fallen on the ear of a lady. So poet says a young man should not be disappointed to see the great honey-colored, you see, colored hair, blonded hair, just dyed hair, which is now generally people using dye to make it beautiful. See, love you yourself alone and not your yellow hair. A young man who is sad in love, he should not be frustrated just to see the outer beauty of a lady. Outer beauty means colored hair. Okay, generally these all are the things which can attract a young boy. So he or she should not be getting attracted due to the outer beauty. He should be loving inner beauty, inner quality of human being. Generally these things not happening. People, lovers especially, getting attracted by the outer beauty. They are not interested in inner beauty, inner qualities, inner values. So, second paragraph. But I can get a hair dye and set such color there, brown and black or the carrot. The young man disappear. This lady replies, question, whatever the question put by this poet, this lady replies, I have colored my hair just like a brown, black carrot, only to make a young man who is in despair, who is frustrated, who is sad, may love me for my alone and not my yellow hair. That young man must love me alone, not my hair, not my outer beauty. He should love my inner beauty, internal beauty, my values, my virtues, whatever thing, not my colored hair. This lady replies that I have colored my hair brown, black, or in carrot color only to make this despaired young man to love my inner beauty, not my outer beauty. Here, writer again just giving one example. I heard an old religious man, but yesterday midnight declare. Writer gives here example. Yesterday night he heard a religious person, a spiritual person who gave him one example by proving the text. Okay, just a text to prove that only God, my dear, could love you for yourself. Only God can love you of yourself. God can't love your outer beauty. Means that is whatever the color you have applied in your hair, the paste which you have applied to your face, dresses, whatever the outer beauty you have, God can't love it. God can see your inner beauty, and only God can love us by our virtues, by our work, by your good deeds. Nobody else, no one is there who can love our values, our internal, ourselves, not our beauty. And generally this, see, God, my dear, could love you for yourself alone and not your yellow hair. God can't like our hair, our outer looks, but He is only who can love our internal beauty. The things we have done, the values, whatever we have, the character, whatever we have possessing, that thing only God can see. No one is else there. So this is the message. This is the discussion in between two people, and one writer there and one young lady. And that writer says, due to your rejection, a young man who is disappointed that he love your only outer beauty, he can't love your inner beauty. He is only interested in your outlooks, whatever you have, your hair, your hair which are hanging on your ears, your face, and whatever it is, they never love you internally, and whatever the value you have, so you need not to just color yourself like that. Lady also replies, I have done these all the things only to make this disappeared, frustrated young man to love me, not my outer beauty, but love my internal beauty, my virtues, my goodness, and not the things whatever I have, just outlooks, whatever outlooks I have. So this much given in this poem. For the next poem I will again come. Thank you very much.